Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a margarita. To begin, gather your essential ingredients like fresh limes, a good quality tequila, and orange liqueur. Opt for 100% agave tequila for a smoother flavor profile. Remember to chill your serving glass beforehand. A cold glass helps keep your margarita perfectly refreshing. Having everything ready makes the mixing process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now, let's mix. In a cocktail shaker, combine 2 ounces of your chosen tequila with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur, such as Cointreau or triple sec, to balance the tartness with a touch of sweetness. Fill your shaker with ice, then shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until well chilled. This ensures all flavors are perfectly blended. Before pouring, prepare your chilled glass. For a classic touch, run a lime wedge around the rim and dip it into coarse salt. This adds a delightful savory contrast to the drink. Once your glass is ready, strain the perfectly chilled margarita mixture into it over fresh ice. Finally, complete your masterpiece with a fresh lime wheel or wedge on the rim. Your delicious, homemade margarita is now ready to be savored. The classic margarita is fantastic, but don't hesitate to explore variations. Try muddling fresh fruits like strawberries or blueberries, or adding fruit purees for unique flavors. You can also adjust the sweetness to your preference by incorporating a small amount of agave nectar or simple syrup. For those who enjoy a kick, muddle some jalapeno slices for a spicy margarita. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. The possibilities are truly endless for customizing your perfect drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.